We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win, and the others too.
Alright guys, I am back. I'm streaming for the second time today. Hold on, what? Like, okay, I can close that. So I'm trying to stream right now currently to YouTube and Twitch at the same time, hopefully to get more viewers, but we'll see. Yeah. Alright. Okay. So since I upgraded my CPU, it hasn't given me the option to do 64-bit yet, so I'm like just kind of chilling here. Settings. So I have to set up a VM really quick. It's this one. Okay, start. So I have 3 people in my Twitch. I'd like to thank all 3 of them for coming out. I have Commander Rear, Eddie Crack for Living, Koslop, and Krillis. I see he's back. I have to, oh, I need to put that back. Oh, I can hide that. Sponsor banner, I can put back. Alert block, recent subscriber. There's follower. Chat box. Hold on. Wouldn't it be better to use WSL instead of VM? I don't know. It's just what I have. So it looks like none of my pictures are working. Like half my images. Okay, Mr. Golaski said in the tryout, WSL. Open the Microsoft server. I'm just gonna look it up on here. Windows. Yeah, I've seen this actually. What I'm trying to do is just run Cassandra, but I don't need that quite yet. Because I'm just looking for a VM right now. So this is CouchDB. Download. Oh, here we go. Let's just do this. We don't need to mess around with Cassandra or VMs or any of that. Awesome. Okay, so if you don't know what I'm currently doing, I'm currently building a website. Let me pull it up. I can close that. Called Mr. Exams. So Mr. Exams is going to be something where people can come on in and where they can come in and make study groups with their friends. They could also make study for tests, they could put tests online, etc. I'll help them study. So I have just like a template I found online. So let's install CouchDB just on here. What are the benefits of hosting with Cassandra? So Fatal, I'm not going to use Cassandra. It was just something I was doing. I've always used MongoDB, but it's having issues installing on my computer. So I'm just trying out different NoSQLs. I'm going to see why my theme is being off. There. Is it? Okay. Sorry, it froze there for a second. Hold on, give me 1 second, guys. Alright. Yeah, so sorry, this is gonna. I need to turn some of this off. If you have any issues installing, why not use Docker? I don't know. I haven't really looked into using Docker before. I know it is something I should probably do. Hold on. Let me do something really quick, guys. There we go. Awesome. Yeah, the chat box is kind of really weird right now, so. Oh, and that's what's gonna do. Since I am now officially an affiliate, guys, if you do have Twitch Prime, you guys can go ahead and donate or use your Twitch Prime to actually hook it into. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Alright, sorry about that, I'm back. But yeah, I'm gonna set up really quick the jar. So the jar is something where you guys can donate bits and it'll help out me and it'll just drop it in there. So yeah. Sorry, I'm just setting it up and then that shouldn't be there. Alright, sorry. I was having something weird with my thing earlier. I haven't used Docker before, so I was just playing it safe. Alright, so it looks like it's officially installed. So let's see, how do we get it started here? So let me just make sure I install it right. It was. Oh, this is cool. So this is a web base. I'm gonna bookmark this. And then configuring. Docker is easier to use. That's what I've heard, and I haven't had the time to get into it. So if you could link any actually sources in there, that'd be great. Just install Docker for Windows and Google Docker Hub. Okay, I'll look into it after the stream. So let's see. Introduction to configuring. I don't know. So we'll play around. So let's create a database and just call it test. Create a database. All documents. So let's add new doc. Create document. Okay. Design documents. New view. Actually, I'm gonna go with Mr. Golaski. And I'm sorry I can't post links or something weird with it right now. I'll set it up later. And hey guys, make sure if you do have Twitch Prime, you guys can use 1 free sub a month and go ahead and subscribe to me, and it'll really help me out. It'll support Twitch, which is a great streaming platform. So let's see. So you said look up Docker for Windows, and then Google, and we'll look up Docker Hub. Alright, so Docker for Windows. Download from Docker store. CMD. Huh, interesting. I'll have to log in. Right. Let's see. Oh, that's one of my old accounts because it was. And check your Docker with. Okay. Oh, let me just use a different one. I guess it doesn't want to sign in. Here, I'll just use this account. Get Docker. Let that install, and then you said look at Docker Hub. Oh, yeah, I remember this. Anyways, so I'm gonna work a little bit on this. So, whoop, I forgot I didn't have that set up yet. So we're gonna look at this. So subjects, I have a CSV full of subjects. I don't know where it went. It's somewhere down here. Subjects, yeah. And then I'm just gonna copy and paste this here. So it's in our workspace. So yeah, sort of right here. What database are you using? I'm not quite sure. I want to use MongoDB, but it's being really finicky. Yeah. Okay, I can delete these, and then if you actually, let's see, where is it? I have this bookmarked. So it's handle. Yeah, it's this one. Nope, is it? Nope, it's not handle. I think it's this one. But to answer your question, Lightspace, I want to use. You're using handlebars? Yeah, I'm using handlebars as the front end. It's what I've always been using, so. With Happy or raw handlebars? I'm using Express.js handlebars. So Express has this, and then you can just, it'll render it for you. I think for now, what I'll do is just look at raw CSV handling. Handlebars, so I'll explain handlebars JS. Handlebars JS, once it loads. Add TS check at the top of your files. Maybe. So it basically helps me render things better, say for the least. What does that do? Mr. Golaski. I think that's how you pronounce your name at least. Node.js. Yeah, I've just never gotten into Angular, so I use what I know. Angular pretty popular. Yeah, I know it is, and I've just heard mixed reviews about Angular. What am I downloading? Oh yeah, I'm downloading that. I know, it's just, I don't have the time right now for it. Check out Angular, it's awesome. Yeah, I totally will in the future. Subjects. Wait, I'm curious. I don't want to use, I just want to use like a CSV editor, or it's just like, that's okay, we're gonna look a little bit more into this CouchDB. So Node.js couch DB thing. Be a vanilla JS Ninja first. I've always used Node.js, so that's what I use. Well, maybe like a junior level. Well, oh, is that junior you mean, Kuka? I think your name is. And hey guys, this is a reminder, make sure you go ahead and follow, and if you can, subscribe to me. It's gonna mean a lot. You'll get updates if you follow when I go live. I try to go live. I'm gonna go live here a lot more often. I was being a nerd and June like, oh, I've never watched Naruto, so you should probably already cover this, but why not use SQLite? I've tried to use some SQLs, and I just don't like them, and I want to get into something new. There's no reason to learn it. Yeah. Just slowly dying like high. That, Mr. Gillespie, that's kind of preference. I actually think it's opposite. I feel like it's actually growing more than we think because it's using a lot more on higher level web applications that people are using. Yeah, I think we'll try this. So, pick up Cradle. Actually, I think that other one is better. That Nano. Yeah. So let's install it. From what I've seen, C# for the web dev is phasing out. Yeah, I've never gotten C# or like any C level language, so I'm kind of happy about that because I feel like it's a little bit of a waste of a time right now. But I'm gonna add another to-do here. To-do, I'm not saying it won't be used anymore, it would be the same as with PHP, I agree. Let's spray, yeah, you're talking about C languages, yeah, I agree, they are nasty. Define subjects. Actually, let's see the subject. Subjects equal, this is just a blank array right now. So that means, like, if I load this, I was gonna have me log in. Yeah, there's that. But cool. So let's see. Alright, so var nano. This stuff you can learn in about a week. Why would you say JS is dying? Yeah, I don't think JS is dying at all. I'm just gonna quickly open up prompt real quick. And run node and say cd there's always more to learn, yeah. Right now you don't have to be an engineer writing websites in Node.js. What we say, JS stuff you learn in about a week. Are there companies that are making Visual.js scripting and .NET Core cross-platform? No, mastering Node.js is on the last. Mr. Glass, I disagree, but also agree with you. Yeah, you pick up JS really fast, but it's growing, and with the amount of people pushing stuff to it, it's growing pretty fast. What? Why? Hold on, I just realized. That's gonna be annoying. That goes. There. Yeah. This design pattern still apply. Yeah. It's. Let's not argue about this, guys, but in reality, it's whatever. I wrote JS scripts in 2005 since then I've never worked with him. Now I'm working on the same project, but he's Node.js. JS always. Yeah, JS is it's a love-hate relationship I found with people liking it or not. So I'm just testing something here. I'm just kind of copying this thing here. Yeah. Function error body header if error console.log Mr. Exam.insert the error. Alright. So let's test this out. So I have let's make just a simple test page we can go to. Test. So var Mr. Exam equals nano.use Mr. Exam, because if I should be able to go here, databases, yeah, table. I'm curious. Import CSV into CouchDB. Did it use CSV to JSON? So I'm gonna copy this and convert. And rename this to ID URL where found is subject name. There we go. It those when we're done. Convert. So I'm gonna save this Control N, Control V, Control S. Subjects dot JSON. Yeah. Then I want to say import JSON into CouchDB. Let's see how to do it. Nope. Don't want to use that. Oh, whatever. Do. New doc. What? I wonder. New doc. Delete. Add document. Create document. I'm gonna have to. Yeah. What I'm gonna do instead is set it. Make a quick script, new file, and name it add subjects, rename the JS. Let me drag and drop this, and hey guys, and remember, so this is in partnership. I am an admin and a really strong advocate of the server that I help, and that really got me to starting this, and it's called the Unofficial Node.js server. So I will go ahead, I have the invite link, and if you guys want it, I think, does that work? Nope, guess not, it doesn't work right now, but yeah, I can have it in there later today, and if you ask for it, I can go ahead and get it to you guys. So I'm gonna need PowerShell CD. Oh, that's awkward. I forgot to install in there, but whatever. So, what we want to do, if I even open this up. Hey, where did it go? It's called. Nope. Gotta find where I set it. Here, I'll just do this. So, nano. Configuration ops. Pool size. So we have this. I don't need to clean it up. We don't need to create it because I already know it's a database. So we want to use Mr. Exam and insert a document into it. And what we're gonna do is, I also want, whoop, I meant to do that, but that works too. Iterate over JSON array. Alright, so I'm gonna do, we have var fs equals require fs. I don't know, is this an add or is this part of the video? It's part of the video. Hey guys, and make sure if you want to, please leave a follow or a subscribe even, that'd be great. It really means a lot for me. It helps me out a lot and just helps me continue going and take time out of my day to do this. So if I look at, where's our subjects JSON? I'm just gonna, so our subjects JSON, yeah, is an array. So if I say on fs read, I'm just gonna say var subjects equals JSON dot parse fs read file sync of subjects.json, and you just need to be in there, and I know it's UTF-8. Alright, we have subjects. Well, I gotta go, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.